Thinking about jumping into crypto trading with herein.com? You might want to pause for a moment because while the platform presents itself as a professional and modern site for trading major cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, and Binance Coin, a closer inspection reveals some serious red flags that can't be ignored. At first glance, herein.com looks promising, with bold claims of military-grade security backed by standards like ISO, SOC2, and PCI DSS. But here's the issue: there's absolutely no verifiable proof of any of these certifications. It gets even more concerning when you realize the domain was only registered on May 18, 2025, meaning it has no history, no track record, and no real user base to speak of. The site's layout also raises eyebrows. It mirrors known scam platforms like Yak Token and Tadix Coin almost exactly, which is never a good sign. Then there's the strange name-dropping of big investment firms like Andreessen Horowitz and Paradigm, trying to create an illusion of credibility without any actual links or endorsements to back it up. And when you search for user feedback, there's nothing: no reviews on Trustpilot, no discussions on Reddit, no presence on crypto forums. It's like the platform appeared overnight from nowhere. Scam check tools don't paint a good picture either. Turtex fits almost every pattern we typically see in fraudulent crypto operations. While this review doesn't aim to label it definitively as a scam or give it a clean bill of health, there's enough here to make any smart investor think twice before putting money on the line.